Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to this energy activation for peace. I'm here with my beautiful friend, fellow healer intuitive, Jamie Wasney. And we are both going to be holding an energetic container for you, channeling energy of peace, so that you can feel nourished, safe, loved, in experiencing this energy. As I said, we're both energy healers. Jane, do you want to introduce yourself for anybody who doesn't know you?
Yeah, thanks. Hi, I'm Jamie Wasney. I am an energy channel as well and oracle priestess. And I assist you in having a safe place to feel seen so that you can experience your unapologetic truth.
And so we will be tapping into this in this brief activation, what your truth is, what nourishes you, what do you need right now, and honoring that, whatever that might be. And also, as I said, channeling the energy of peace so that you can feel that energy, you can receive it, embody it. So if all of this sounds good, I invite you to relax. If you can, close your eyes. We will be channeling energy if you are open and receptive to receive this activation, always for your highest and best good and in alignment with you. Please say yes in your mind's eye. Just taking a moment to connect energetically. Take a couple of deep, soothing breaths. Allowing yourself to let go just for this activation. Everything that came before, everything that may come after, letting that fall away. We are bringing in soothing, loving energy to any part of you who does not feel safe being at peace. Any part of your mind or your nervous system that says it's not safe to let go, to feel calm, stress, worry-free. Soothing any of those parts of you now. Bringing in the energy of unconditional love and wrapping those parts up. As you feel and maybe visualize a cool blue energy just washing through you like a gentle wave. Bringing you more and more peace. And washing away any tension, stress, and anxiety. I'm going to pass it now to Jamie, who's going to take us deeper into the state.
Just allowing yourself to deepen your breath down into your belly. calling forth a inner parent energy. And we're just going to take a moment to check in with 3 things that can assist us in feeling nourished on a soul level so that we can feel more peace. With compassion and non-judgment, as we breathe and soften and relax in this contemplative space, we're just going to ask ourselves objectively on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being depleted, 10 being radiant, alive, vital, magnetic, joyful. How do I feel today? And intuitively, a number might come in. Again, don't judge it. This is just information. 1 to 10. How depleted do I feel today? Just thanking our subconscious mind for placing that number in our awareness. With this knowledge, we're going to ask this next question as we take a deep breath and soften the body. What is one simple, small, easy thing I can do that would make me feel nourished on a soul level? It could be as simple as buying wildflowers, or reading a poem by your favorite poet, taking 10 deep breaths with your feet on the earth. Anything. So let's just get quiet, tune into our hearts. What would be one small, easy thing I could do that would make my soul feel nourished? And what's one action step or promise you can make to yourself with the awareness that you received? It could be after this beautiful activation, I'm going to put that in my diary and my calendar. Just breathe, soften, and listen. Good. Holding this information in your heart and knowing that after you apply this medicine of the thing that will make your soul feel nourished, just check back in with your 1 to 10 and see how it makes you feel. Bringing in more peace, contentment, satisfaction. Breathing and softening as I send the energy back to Rachel.
Just allowing this nourishment, whatever it is that you chose, to be a gift that you're giving yourself, not from obligation, but from love. For you give so much, and you deserve to receive this nourishment. And you also deserve to receive the energy of peace, safety, and nourishment from whatever you would call your higher power, God, the universe, spirit, your angels. So let us complete this activation by turning your palms up and allowing these higher powers, this higher source, to give you all of the nourishment, all of the peace, everything that you most need right now. And there's absolutely nothing that you need to do to receive it. Breathe it in, allow it to nourish any parts of you that have felt depleted. Allow this energy to assist you in feeling safe enough, deserving enough, of feeling this amount of peace, of letting it be easy. And we are slowly now grounding in this energy. Feel your body being supported by the surface that you are sitting or laying upon. Allowing this surface to nourish you, really sinking into it. Letting it support you fully. Taking a couple deep breaths as you remember what you brought to mind of that little thing that you can do to give yourself some nourishment as you move forth. What was that? Placing your hands upon your heart and affirming that you are worthy of receiving that nourishment. From yourself, from the universe, from others. When you're ready, bring some slow movement back into your body, slow and steady, coming back from the session. As we slowly pull back our energy from this activation, disconnect. So be it, so it is. We give thanks. Thank you for tuning into this. I intend that you continue to be nourished and carry this peace with you throughout your day. This session is here for you anytime you need a break, you need to give back to yourself. If you want to embody more of this, Jamie and I are having a virtual workshop this Thursday, and from 7 to 8:30. The replay, you can get it if you don't want it, if you can't make it live. It's all about peace. It's all about nourishment, and really getting to a space where you can incorporate that not only in the workshop, but moving forth. We are also having an in-person retreat in October with the intention of being soul nourishment, like deeply, deeply soul nourishing. Come as you are and let the retreat give to you in the ways that you most need. So we'll link to more information about that as well. Anything to add, James?
Yeah, as we're completing and as we're speaking, I'm really feeling this energy of self-generosity. And that if we're stuck or we're struggling in any area, that give back to self is that unlocking. It's that key. It's that unsticking balm. Mm-hmm. And it can be one of the hardest things to do. Give to self. But like Rachel said, we're worthy, we're deserving. And when we start to do it in small ways, our entire life opens up. And so I intend that for all of those listening. I wish that for you. And yeah, if you want to give yourself that gift, we'd love to see you guys Thursday. And just to clarify too, it's 7 Eastern.
Eastern, yeah. Yeah.
So just in case you guys are on the West Coast, it's 4 Pacific. And we always have a lot of fun.
Yeah. It's always a beautiful community that comes together.
Yes.
Okay. Well, have a beautiful day, morning, evening. And yeah, intending all the peace and nourishment. We'll talk with you next time.